Hello, today we're going to play Spunky. My little friend called Zarina. Okay, this is question. We're playing the fake one.
This is so cool.
Okay.
I feel like I want to
The gallery.
Warning, gallery. My may contact spoilers.
Recommended to look at the gallery
after you've seen the whole mode.
Okay. Fine.
Oren.
That's one.
Rad, do you want to make a rainbow?
Okay, fine. I will make a rainbow.
Okay, let's add yellow. Hey, that's enough. Why is there so many yellow? Why is there so many yellow? So noisy!
Okay, I'll lower the voice. That's fine.
Yeah, I want to add black hat. I didn't see what happened to black hat. What happened? Let's do it.
Wait, no.
We're going to see all the characters.
After.
We see all the characters. And then, after we see all the characters, we're going to talk. Okay?
Okay, fine. Okay.
It's like poo-poo. It's the poo-poo. It's a poo-poo.
It's a poo-poo! What is poo-poo?
I watch a funny video that where
Okay.
Simon ate
Simon ate blood.
Brad's head and then he pooped in the bathroom. And
What
the,
the?
And then the head the head come out.
Oh my god, that's so inappropriate!
The head come out. The head come out and then Brad came and then got and then he
Be quiet!
and then he get the poop inside his face with the poop inside and then he put it back. But there was poop on it and then
Okay.
it's blue.
Blue! Why did you say blue?
No, friend.
Okay, we're going to make this. We're going to make a mix. We're going to make one.
It's enough now. Ate, I wanna add the black ring.
Don't! We're making a mix.
It was so ugly.
Stop!
Did you know you can do that?
Quiet!
You're done. Go outside. You two go outside. Time out time. You go there to the corner.
It's so noisy!
To the corner right now. And Alex, you go kay ingay. Hindi naman makapagsalita. Diba ate? Hindi na tayo makakapagsalita.
Yep, okay.
Let's add the black hat now. Oh,
Okay, what are you? Hello? Will you buy someone? I think the language.
It's gonna be dark and also are gonna be super cute.
Yeah, anyway.
It's so fun. Listen, say run. Wait. It's so cute, right? I like that movie, right? You also like that movie?
Yeah.
It's also the characters of the dress up super cool. I like it. What the? Let's add black hat. I wanna add black.
No.
I wanna play Mr. Black.
Okay.
Let's add Mr. Black.
Can we figure out to make some
Let's add Mr.
I
Black.
can't. Okay.
Or else I will.
Okay. I'm going to put the characters that we have not used yet.
We haven't used black. I heard black's gonna be very angry.
Well, now, did you use everything?
Yeah, we already used everything. I saw everything.
Wait,
We already saw everything, right?
okay, fine. Black.
Look what happened.
Wait, no. Wait.
Look what happened.
Okay, oh, no one.
Wait. Look at this blast. Look at this. Play it again. It's okay. I'm scared. Oh, I was very scared. Look at this.
Oh no, it's zoom in.
Look at this. Just look at.
No. Come on. Anyways, bye.